This is going to be a quick video showing you something that I forgot to include in the editing walls video. But, I talked about everything else except for this one little tool right up at the top here that is called, if it'll pop up, there we go, Split Element. And that's another tool that we can use to edit walls. And there's also Split Element with a gap if you want to split it and create a gap in that wall. But Split Element, just click on that and hover over your wall, and of course you can see the line that extends across the wall. That's basically your cutting point. That line of course will change positions or change orientation if you're doing a vertical or like a horizontal wall. And of course at the joints you can cut walls at joints, but you have to be very careful of where that line is actually showing up and what its orientation is. But anyway, with this tool you can just slice a wall just like that, hit your escape button to get out of the tool, and then click here. Now you have two separate walls and you can spread them apart like so. Okay, and this can be useful for making passageways or just removing a wall altogether. The tool with the gap, I was using it earlier, it didn't work quite right, but let's see, click here and then okay, there it is. There is the gap that's in the wall. It's not much of a gap, it's a very small gap. You probably get very close to the same effect just using the regular cut tool, but that's it. And of course you can click on that again and resize or stretch it, and actually this one is still attached. I think that might be the difference between the two tools, as this leaves the walls attached. Split walls with a gap, or split element, or split with gap. And if we do split element, let's do that again, see what happens. And here you can see we can adjust individually each wall. So we discovered the difference there. So that is another editing tool for walls.